In today's tutorial, we are going to create a Chrome logo using Inkscape. So let's get started. Download the Chrome logo for your reference. Scale it up a little bit. Select the ellipse tool. Left click and drag to create a circle around the reference photo. Holding the Ctrl we maintain the aspect ratio in order to create a perfect circle like this one. Right click here and select 0.25 stroke thickness. Click here to remove the fill color, then hold shift and click the black color to change the stroke color to black. Switch back on selection tool, hold Ctrl and press D. We duplicate the circle. Scale it down to match the white circle in the middle. Duplicate the circle again by pressing Ctrl D. Turn off the snapping mode. Scale down the circle around the blue circle. Turn the snapping mode on. Select a Bezier tool. Then snap it on top the middle circle and make a straight line by holding Ctrl. Switch back to selection mode to complete the line. Open object menu. Select transformation. Click on the line to get the rotation handle, but before that make sure the snapping tool of the rotation center is turned on here. Click and drag the line midpoint to snap to the second midpoint. Press Ctrl D, duplicate the line. In transformation menu, select rotate and change the angle 120 degrees. Hit apply or enter button. Select a Bezier tool and draw a line just like this. Select all the line and group them together. Move the rotation point to the second midpoint again. In the transformation menu, rotate it 120 degrees like before. Now select the reference image, scale it down and move it away. Then select everything and go to shape builder and carefully select the shapes accordingly. Once you are done, press enter. Hold shift and click here to remove the stroke. Then go to the color menu. Use the dropper tool to pick the color from the sample image. Just repeat the process one after the other. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe for more videos like this. Also, comment below the type of tutorial you would like to see next on my channel.